God, these birds are idiots. There they go. Woo. Here we go. Here's my turkey. Oh man, he's flopping. Oh, it's just a Jake. Oh, and I fucked up his feathers. I fucked up exactly what I did not want to fuck up. But I don't know, like they say, can't stop the flop, I guess. He's got little bumps. There's this is him though. Yeah, he's still flopping. Blasted him right here. Probably could have aimed a little higher. Yeah, I really messed him up there, right where I wanted to have the feathers, but I can still come down from here. Feather came out there, but just try to get him. They came in quiet. I was sitting here for 30 minutes. Got me a turkey. You know, he's not old. Just a Jake. You know, you can see just got bumps. No real big spurs, but golly, this beard, not a long beard, but you know, take what you can get, huh? Really beautiful bird. Very proud and happy. Didn't take long. Sitting here calling and calling. Maybe 30 minutes. They came in quiet. Didn't take long. Very quiet though. I had no idea they were coming until I just looked around. I was actually getting to the point where I was gonna sit. And actually, not sit, but I was gonna pick up, move to somewhere else, but patience paid off, I guess. It didn't take much patience, to be honest. Let's see if I can't set this up somewhere. Here it is. My turkey. My first ever turkey hunt. Let's check out this fan. Not a bad fan either. Not huge. You can tell he's a Jake because the fan's not fully grown in. Wings. Some nice wings. The beard on this guy is not long. I don't know, maybe 4 inches. Maybe 4 inches. This is a beautiful bird. Never touched one of these. I'm still shaking. I'm so excited. I had plans to make a nice display of its feathers, but I don't know what happened. I didn't hit it here. Maybe some of the BBs went and just shaved it right off, but it's just a Jake, 1-year-old juvenile turkey. Still great though. What a majestic giant bird. The spurs, just nubs. But I'm really proud of myself. All I did was a mouth call. This is an Anthony Myers custom mouth call. I got it at the Minnesota Deer and Turkey Expo. It's awesome. I love it. So yeah, we'll pick the video up on the way back to the cabin. Quick hunt today. So I just got my, kind of figured out I got my laptop. I got the footage off of this from the hunt. Decent footage. Really hard to hear. So I guess I'll talk a little bit louder. Got some rubber gloves on, some plastic bags, I got a knife, I have some water bottles, that will help. We have the best workspace. Doing the best with what I got. So, we'll see how it goes. Never cleaned a turkey. Well, heading home. My uncle came up. We sat for the whole rest of the day. Didn't hear one turkey, didn't see anything. Tried this morning. It started raining, so we packed up. We only sat for a couple hours. Maybe not even. No luck for him. I still got turkey. Still have the last week in May for spring turkey. We can retry, or he can retry. See how that works out if he's able to. Otherwise, there's still fall wild turkey season. Look forward to. And after that, deer season to pheasant season. Still a lot of fun. Got my first turkey. I got in the back seat here. I've got my my wings and my fan, borax on it. I'm gonna try and make a cool turkey display. Yeah, still a lot of fun. Even sitting in the woods is still exciting and nice to do, even if you don't get near or see anything.